What is up everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah May. I also go by the name The Glamour. I'm a pro wrestler from the UK and I make YouTube videos. And today's video is going to be a little skincare and makeup haul that I did. It's from a few different places, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. Some of it I have actually used so I can kind of tell you my kind of first impression of it and what I think. Some of it I haven't even unboxed yet. So I'm very excited to go ahead and show you guys. So the first thing that I got is this NARS Soft Matte Creamy Concealer. Now I did actually originally get this as a lighter color to kind of highlight, but I've obviously got the wrong shade because I got medium ginger. I didn't realize. Literally a perfect match for my foundation. So instead I have literally been using it for like any spots that I have, just because sometimes my foundation doesn't cover it, or any kind of little marks or anything like that. I just basically use this and it is so good. It just blends with the skin. I don't know how to describe it. It literally just like becomes one with the skin, which is really nice because obviously with makeup I don't like it when it looks really caked and it's like thick on the skin. I mean, each to their own, but for me, like, I'm trying to do a more natural look, so I really do like this actually, even though it's not what I expected because I'm dumb and I ordered the complete wrong shade. It's literally perfect for just concealer, and also when I'm tanned and I just don't really want to put foundation on, I feel like I can just put this on and it's just going to look super natural, just like my skin. The next thing that I got is this Wishful exfoliator. Now I have never used Wishful before. This is actually my first ever product, so I'm very excited to try this. But the reason I kind of went for it is because on Cultbeauty they always have a lot of reviews. They have a lot of different brands and a lot of options, and this had really good reviews. It was a fair price. It wasn't like super cheap and it wasn't super expensive. You know, sometimes you get a lot of skincare stuff that can be so pricey, and if it doesn't suit you or your skin, that's going to be super disappointing. But this was kind of a fair price, and I went through the reviews and it kind of tells you what skin people have and like what their review of it is and what they felt about it. And it's obviously really honest, because I've seen some products that have had like terrible reviews too, so they don't hide reviews or do anything strange or suspicious. This has got really good reviews. It's got a lot of reviews, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give this a go. I really needed a new exfoliator. I just needed a good exfoliator because I didn't really have, I had something that was kind of like an exfoliator substitute, but it just wasn't working for me, so I'm very excited to try this. Also, whilst I was on there looking for that, I did stumble across this. It's from the Inky List, and it's basically a night treatment that you put on, and apparently it's really good for hyperpigmentation. And I had a look at the reviews and they were amazing, and I don't know if you guys know about this, but this brand is so inexpensive. I actually have a little product from it which you just dot it on any little spots you have, and it's pretty good for the price. It's really good. Just overall it's pretty good. It does the job well enough. You know, it's not a miracle worker, but like for the price, like, yeah, it does a good job. But because I've had a pretty good experience with this brand before, it was so inexpensive and the reviews were amazing, I actually wanted to try this out, so we'll let you guys know what my review is of this because I'm so excited to try it. And the final thing that I got, I literally tore into like a savage. I think it's because of my nails. Like, I'm not used to them, so I just couldn't get it open. But it is a NYX contour stick. Now, I never ever use the lighter shade. I literally just buy it because this is amazing. It's literally something I used to use for ages, and then I kind of swapped my makeup up a bit and I just was hating how I look with makeup, and I realized like I just was really missing some of my favorite products. So I'm so excited to have this again. I think I went for medium. I don't actually use the lighter color, as I said. It's not thick enough for me. I don't like the consistency of it for the lighter concealer, but for this it blends really well. It's super cheap because it's NYX. It's really inexpensive, and yeah, this is just something I love. And then of course, when you do order from Cultbeauty, you do get 2 free samples. I did just get these 2, which I'm excited to try because they're always a little bit bougie, always a little bit expensive and out of reach, so I'm very excited to try these out. Next, I did a little MAC order, so you do get this little sample free, and I think it's basically an eyeshadow for your lips, so I'm kind of curious to try that out. I wonder what it will be like, and I do really like samples because with a lot of this stuff, it's so expensive, so it's not really one of those things where you're like, like I'll just go for it, I'll try it. So it's nice that they give you a sample and you can kind of see how it's going to be and what it's going to be like on, so I'm excited to try this. And then I did get a black and a red lip. Now you guys are probably like, what the hell, why have you got that? It is actually for a shoot that I'm doing. I will definitely wear the red a lot regardless. The black is for a shoot, so I'm not sure if I'll ever wear it again, but maybe I will. Maybe I'll revisit that stage of my life. I'm really excited for this shoot and to kind of be a bit more creative with my makeup. So I did get these 2, and MAC is kind of just my favorite place for lip stuff. I think it's so good. And then the final thing I got, I did actually get from ASOS, and it is this Bobbi Brown night cream. Now, my mum recommended this because she had Bobbi Brown eye cream and she said it was really good. Bobbi Brown is a little bit expensive, so I don't tend to get that much stuff. I have got a few bits and pieces before, so I've got a lipstick that I really like, a lip gloss I like, a bronzer, a lip balm, balm that is so good. I just think with your eyes and just with your face and your skin, you really do want to protect it as much as possible. So I did invest in this eye cream. I am very excited. So I am just coming up to the end of my Elemis night cream, which I really enjoyed, but I'm just looking to try something a little bit different, you know? This is the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream. So I just got this from ASOS, and Danny's got Premier, so it came really quickly. So that is everything that I got in my little beauty and skincare haul. If you have any recommendations, please do comment them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications for tons more fashion and beauty videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all next time.